Amphenol Sine non-automotive transportation solutions provide a wide range of connector types with unparalleled reliability for the harsh environments of critical transportation systems, such as agriculture, construction, marine, and heavy equipment. The extreme temperatures, moisture, dust, and vibrations in non-automotive transportation equipment require rugged and durable connections. Amphenol Sine connectors feature a robust design with high IP ratings for watertight and dust-resistant connections in harsh environments. These non-automotive connectors deliver reliable, uninterrupted power and signal transmission with excellent performance, offering high current capacity and signal integrity in a vibration-resistant design that prevents disconnection or damage. Amphenol Sine offers the customization and flexibility required for specialized connector solutions in non-automotive applications, including various pin layouts, housing materials, and mounting options, providing design flexibility for OEMs to meet specific system requirements across industries.